name is Elijah Gill, and this is my 2023 summer internship experience. I'm currently a sophomore at Purdue University, majoring in construction engineering and management. After graduation and the 5 to 10 years after, I want to have a secure and lucrative career in the industry, but I really want to work on projects I enjoy and that I can be proud of. I believe construction is a great place where you can enjoy what you're doing and get paid well for it. For career path, after graduation, I want to be working towards a career as a superintendent. I enjoy being out in the field and seeing how the project plans come to reality. PCL was my sponsor company this summer. After living in Indiana for all my life, I really fell in love with the mountains and the weather in Colorado. And when I saw the PCL district office was in Denver, Colorado, that really stuck out to me. They also have a strong community inside of the company. They're employee-owned, and they're also in the Fortune Top 100 Best Companies to Work For. This really helped me out in choosing my internship because I really wanted to be in a company where I would be welcomed and where I would feel at home. I also discovered they had some intriguing projects I would enjoy working on. When I went to their website, I saw stadiums and amusement parks, which I thought were really exciting. And also the internship opportunity that I had was to work on the Aspen Club in Aspen, Colorado. This looked like a very interesting project to me, and I really wanted to be a part of it. Over the summer, I learned a lot about how to be a project engineer and field engineer. I gained a lot of technical knowledge, such as writing RFIs, organizing submittals, understanding construction drawings, identifying issues, and as well as documenting project progress. This was through a lot of repetition and getting tasks from the project engineers on the project site. At the beginning of the summer, I was not very good at any of these things, but through repetition, I was able to get a lot more comfortable, and I was taking on a lot more tasks throughout my day. And then management skills, I was observing superintendents and project managers on the site, and I was also given the opportunity to take charge of a small group of manual labor workers. So I was able to gain management skills through that by telling them what they needed to get done for the day and monitoring their progress. I also learned a lot of lessons through the PCLers on the site as well as the subcontractors. One of the greatest challenges of this summer was learning how to talk to people. I got a lot better at that throughout the summer, and through suggestions from PCLers and subcontractors, I was able to learn a lot from them on how they did things, what they said, and certain issues came up. My greatest triumph was identifying issues in the field. Through walking through the project site, I was able to know what to look for and what things were issues and what needed to be fixed. One of the main things that stuck out to me was when I was able to identify an issue in the bathrooms. There was a shower handle that was not fitting into the faucet like it was supposed to. It would stick up on top like you can see in the picture in the slideshow. We didn't know why this was happening. It could have been a manufacturing issue with the company that created the faucet, but I realized it was just installed incorrectly and it just needed to be flipped upside down, which I was very proud of. This will help a lot in my future. It gives me a lot of hands-on experience that I'll be able to bring back to Purdue. I'll be able to connect lessons that I learned in class to the experiences I had. I'll figure out what's important and how I need to connect what I learned at Purdue this semester and next semester back to next summer when I go back. I was also able to learn what I like, what I enjoy working on, what I want to do more of in the construction industry. One thing that's a highlight of my summer was taking the project and seeing it go from the concept phase to reality. We would work on issue reports every week and see all the things that went from a project drawing to full reality in the project. We would update the issue reports and send them to the subcontractors, tell them what they need to get done and what they've already finished. We also worked on RFIs. We would see issues in the project drawings and ask the owners and designers to fix it, and then we would get it fixed in the project. And it was really cool to see how that drawing became a reality in the actual units. The most important thing I'll take away from my internship was hearing all the advice and guidance from the project team. We would go out to dinner after a long day at work, and we would hear stories about their former projects as well as their career paths. It was very interesting to see how their lives have panned out and how I would like to follow in their footsteps. Some things that I would want to be a part of and what I would not like to be a part of. It's cool to see how they started and comparing it to how I'm going through things currently. But yeah, there was a lot of mixed views going from senior superintendents all the way down to the project and field engineers, all having different experiences and all having valuable information to provide. My expectations for the summer, I had no previous construction internship experience, so I really just expected to shadow my mentors the whole summer. However, very quickly I realized they were going to give me real tasks to complete, so I'll be able to get my hands on a lot of important tasks that would actually have real contributions to the project, which I felt really good about. And through PCL's internship program, I was able to experience the other projects that other interns were working on, and I was able to visit their projects and see how those were going and see if I would be interested in any of those as well. And I'm also returning to PCL already. I've been offered a return offer, and I'm greatly looking forward to return to the project site this summer. Thank you.